Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to make this quick video to say hey and check in on you. Hopefully you're doing well, staying safe, and staying inside. This video, I wanted to just do a couple of things. First of all, I wanted to let you see this is the Canvas shell. Now this is the instructor side, so yours is going to look a little bit different. But a couple things I just wanted to show you. First of all, I want to make sure if you do not have an access code yet for Connect and the ebook for this course, that you email me as quickly as possible so that I have a few left from the publisher, and I would like to be able to get those in your hands, because you're going to need an access code in order to um, access the ebook and the homework modules, which is called Connect. And I'll show you this here pretty quick. So to email me, come over here to the inbox, click the inbox. Then up here is compose a new message. Select course. This may not come up with you, but it does for me because I have so many, as you can see. So spring, there's us, and then you would type in my name and give me subject and say hey, or just put access code. Hey, I need a access code. Okay, then click send. Let me get back here to our class. The other thing I wanted to do is make sure that one of the first things you do is the video and orientation module for Connect, because that's going to tell you how to maneuver in Connect, how to complete your assignments, and how to submit them so that I can see them and give you credit, okay? So to do that, you're going to come over here to assignments, and you're gonna yours, I put mine in order, so just scroll down until you see Connect Smart Book Orientation. What you'll do is you'll click this link. It's going to take you over to Connect. Now when I click it now, it's going to take me right over because I'm already accessed, but for you it'll ask for an email, and then it's going to ask you for an access code. That's the access code that you either got when you purchased the ebook and the code, or the code that I sent you. And then that will let you come to the orientation videos. So as you can see, it's flipping me over right now into Connect. And there's the smart book. This is going to look different for you. It's just going to say start, okay? Other than that, I think that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I'm going to do maybe one or two more. I definitely want to do one for the syllabus so that we can talk about that. And then if I get time, we'll do one to maneuver through Canvas if you're brand new. If you're not brand new, then you won't have a problem. But I want to show you this as well. So click on modules. This is going to take you through every one of the modules that we're going to cover in the course. Please start with getting started in our course. And the reason I want you to do that is because here you'll see this. Well, let me just start you back here. So when you come into the module, here is some general information, a little bit of information about me so you can get to know me. This basically what it is the syllabus in a module. But here's your syllabus. You can click on this to get your PDF actual file if you want to print one, or I bring it up here for you. And the important thing is at the end of this, it's catching up right now, is your tentative schedule. There it is. And so I would print this off if I were you. You can print out the last page. But the other thing I wanted you to notice in this module, I give you lots of information. There are a couple assignments in here, and here's the first one, a discussion board. So make sure that you take time to complete that. See, some folks have already done it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then the other assignment in this first very introductory module is a self-assessment. So please make sure that you complete that as well. Okay, so that's what I wanted to get accomplished this week, or in this video. So if you got any questions, like I said, reach out to me, and we will talk soon. Have a good day.